Hi, today's our topic will be on functions. So last class we have seen set of operators. Now we'll be starting with the functions. So in general, what is a function? Function is defined as a self-contained block which defines a particular task. So function is nothing but it's called as it's a set of block. We can consider it as a block which that blocks maintains a particular task, or that block is designed for a specific task. For example, there can be several functions or the functions that we are going to use. For example, we wanted to extract some text from a long string. If you want to extract the text from 5th position to 10th position, then we use a function called substring. That is one function. And you wanted to split a long text into multiple things. Split is a one function. Sort is a one function. Print the data in reverse order is one function. And you have received a text from your upstream system in an uppercase format and you wanted to make it into a lowercase format. Uppercase is one function, lowercase is another function. There are a set of various functions that are available, which means that it is a self-contained block which defines a particular task. Each function is specified to a specific task. So based on this, functions are of two types. One is a system defined function and other is a user defined function. When I say a user defined function, it means like you would be writing a piece of block or a piece of task. What is the action that need to be taken for that particular piece of block. So system defined function that we have discussed just now, like sort, uppercase, lowercase, split and substring. So there are various other system defined functions and the user defined function. Now let's go and see some system defined functions which return some values. So functions can return scalar or list or nothing. So for example, I wanted to we know the pi value is 3.145439 or 22 by 7. So it has a integer value and real value. So I don't want this value, but I wanted to print only the integer value of any of the variable that is defined. For example, I'm taking an example of pi. So if you give the int function of this, so it will return only the integer value, right? So in the same way, if it is an array, so this was a scalar variable. Now let's take a look at the array. So in array you see a different variables, different list, a random collection of words. So it needs to be printed in a sorted order. So when you use this function, it prints in this order. Let's go and write some example. I'll try some example on this array function, or you can say function returns. We have various functions here, like string function 1, or it's not this. So where is the function? So hash, it's not there, right? Yeah, okay, this is for array. Okay, so here we have some function called arithmetic function. So here I'm taking the age as 29.75 and let me edit this. Okay, so here what we can do is I have taken the value of pi as 3.15439 and I'm trying to print it, so it should print this value. So let me execute this program by CLS. So for example, we have a function called arithfunc.pl. so you can see int value of pi is 3 and a collection of random words. So you can see a different order now when you use a sort, so it has printed in a correct order. So this is how we can write a program for integer or a sort function. So this is what we are discussing is a system defined function. Okay, so this is how you write a functions and it will return the values. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I'll be coming up with next topic.